Hello, I'm Kai, and welcome to our video. Don't forget to follow our main channel. Love you all. Hello again. Today, we're going to automate your job search. It's simple. Just find the Job Market Intelligence template in your BrowserAct. A manual is available if you need more guidance. For now, go ahead and click Run. First, you can define the parameters. You can change the target site, location, and the job you're looking for. I suggest you only adjust the job, location, and the total number of jobs together if needed. Here's how the workflow works. It first search for the job and location you've specified. Then, it enters a loop that gathers the jobs, repeating the data extraction process for the total number you defined. So, once inside the site, it searches for data and then clicks on the first job, gathering information from the right-hand panel. It then repeats this for the next one. The data is structured to include key information like the job title, a brief summary, the company name, and the salary. Let's go to N8N. This is my template, which you can find in the workflow section. It's very simple to use. Just adjust the credentials in the Run node by adding your API key. You will also need to add the workflow ID from your own BrowserAct workflow. You can find it on your Workflows tab at the top of the workflow's name in BrowserAct. You don't need to import anything else. All the settings are in place. However, don't forget to add your Gemini credentials and update your resume in the agent node. Just provide it in text inside the quotation marks, and it's all done. For the Send node, just add your Telegram bot API key and channel ID. You don't need to add anything else. The code node's job is to clean and format the structured data for Telegram. While I'm using Telegram, you can change it to Gmail or any other service you prefer. I use Telegram because it's easier to configure and more straightforward. The final result will look like this. Of course, you can change it as you wish in the Telegram node. Thank you all, and I wish you the best. Kai.